How to fix overheating on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So generally the reason for overheating is because when you charge too much or when you expose your device directly under the sunlight. So when you directly charge it on the sunlight, then the overheating issues generally pops up. Now to avoid that, what you can simply do is charge it only when it's necessary. Next is charging under no sunlight or not direct sunlight. Then next what you can do is just go to the settings of your device and then tap on the battery options. As you tap on battery option, you just have to go to your battery protection and check what is the temperature and number of charges. Then next what you can do is to just go to the battery checkup option over here. So here it says that one item with high power consumptions and 5 items can be optimized for this device. So here it will be suggested that you can turn on the dark mode because it consumes less power. You can clear memory 10 minutes after login device, turn off location services, don't wake screen for notifications, and lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity. So these are the suggestions that has been given in order to fix the overheating on Android and protect the battery. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.